If you're looking for a spacious, cozy retreat in the heart of Whistler Village, let me introduce you to number 213 at Blackcomb Lodge. Let's go take a look. This suite offers one of the largest and most unique layouts in the building, with nearly 592 square feet of comfortable living. It's a studio with a loft that comfortably sleeps 6, with a queen bed and pull-out sofa on the first level, and up the stairs in the loft there's 2 single beds. The unique feature of this suite is its side sofa and TV nook, which is a great spot to unwind after a day on the slopes. Located in a quieter location toward the back of the complex, the suite is set away from the hustle and bustle of the Village Stroll. Blackcomb Lodge is a Whistler classic and is one of the first buildings ever constructed in Whistler Village back in 1980. There's also an indoor pool, hot tub, sauna, and gym, so it's complete with all the amenities you could need. You've also got convenient access to Whistler's best dining with the world-famous Araxi restaurant, Bar Oso, and Provisions Cafe just downstairs on the retail level of the same building. Not to mention all the shops and restaurants that make Whistler Village so unique. And the Whistler and Excalibur gondolas are only a couple minutes walk out your front door down the Village Stroll for skiing. Blackcomb Lodge is a Phase 2 hotel condo, which gives you personal use of your unit for up to 28 days in the winter and 28 days in the summer. And when you're not using it, the hotel management takes care of all the rental management for you. For more on how Phase 2 properties work in Whistler, go ahead and click on this video up on the right. So how does it look? Could this spacious Blackcomb Lodge studio loft be your ideal escape in Whistler Village? Let me know in the comments, and if you're interested in seeing it in person, my number's down in the description below. I'd love to show you around. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.